Hello everyone and welcome back to our newest video. With you as always me, Rough Virus, and this time I'm saying hi from Las Vegas SEMA Show 2023. This year we're back with GSWF and we're gonna do live demo on this Porsche and Lamborghini. We have this huge screen, same like last year. And in this video I would like to share you some moments from this show. So let's start. As well, this year on the stand we have with us the Rap Institute, Rainer and Dimas. Both of them are ready. They're gonna work on this car and maybe Jay gonna work on another car, or maybe we're gonna switch, I don't know, we'll see. We don't have an exact plan what we're gonna do, but we wanna show customers, show people how to use colored paint protection film and as well how to use clear paint protection film. Hello guys!